Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And then do not close the case, open the lid. At the left side of the charging case we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button for at least 10 seconds. So just press and hold on it. Firstly it enter to pairing mode, don't worry, it's okay. And here we go. Now go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So now we can see it as device list and just tap on it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!